Come, young people, let us sing the books of the Bible we know so well. Genesis, Exodus, Leviticus, Numbers, Deuteronomy, Joshua and Judges, Ruth and Samuel, Samuel and Kings, Kings, Chronicles, Ezra, Nehemiah, Esther, Job, Psalms, Proverbs, Ecclesiastes, Song of Solomon, Isaiah, Jeremiah, Lamentations, Ezekiel and Daniel, Hosea, Joel and Amos, Obadiah, Jonah, Micah, Nahum, Habakkuk, Zephaniah, Haggai, Zechariah, Malachi, Matthew, Mark, Luke, and John. Acts, Romans, Corinthians, Galatians, Ephesians, Philippians, Colossians, Thessalonians,